to my channel, The Lifestyle with Laura, and today we'll be making this floating glass Halloween centerpiece. So come on, let's get started. Now to make my Halloween display, my centerpiece, I have a small bucket from Dollar Tree, a plastic cup from Dollar Tree, some candy, some fake candy. I just took the empty wrappers and filled it with paper, and some pieces are real. Some tape, my E6000, glitter vase filler from Dollar Tree, scissors, some ribbon that I already have, a hanger that I pre-cut, and some spiders. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I took my wire hanger, I folded in half, and I took my tape and taped it together. Now I just want to go ahead and use some of my ribbon to wrap it with, just so I'll have something to stick the candy to. So I'll go ahead and I'll wrap this wire. Now the wire is wrapped, so we'll go ahead, and what we want to do is, this is the rounded end of the wire, and we'll stick it to the bucket with our E6000. So let's go ahead and put some E6000 on here. And we'll put plenty of it on here. It's just gonna go down in our bucket, and we'll just let that sit and get a good hold on it. Just let it sit there. I'll just prop something up under here. And we'll just let that sit and let that E6000 take a good hold on it. Okay, our wire has been sitting for a couple of hours, and so we'll go ahead and I put the E6000 on the cup. Go ahead and take your tape. Just set your cup where you want it to go. Put plenty of E6000 on it. Tape it down. And I also found this clip that I'm going to use to help hold it in place while the glue sets. Just like that. Ease it up. So when you finish and it's set, you want it to be able to sit like this. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and lay it back down so the glue can sit, and I'll use this candy to prop it up. And we'll just let that set for a few hours. All right, the E6000 has been sitting on this part for, maybe 3 hours or so. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the clip, and let's test it out. It's holding. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some candy to the bucket, just so we can keep it balanced. Add all of it. And then we'll just start adding candy to our wire to cover up this piece. So let me go ahead and get the E6000. and just start adding. Let's see, this piece here, this would be a good piece to put in here, just kind of cover that section. So go ahead and add a little bit of glue to it. And just let it sit there. And just continue adding candy, and don't forget to do the back of the stem. Alright, now I've added my candy. I have my glass, and I added a couple of spiders here, and I used the vase filler to just fill in some spots. And my candy is in my bucket. And make sure you have plenty of candy in your bucket to keep the bucket balanced. And this is the final product. And this is what the inside looks like. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you for stopping by my channel. I'll see you next time.